Alright, we're going to try to show you putting in a new handle, which I just showed in another video how to replace the lock. So I put a new lock in there, but I had to take the guts or parts from the old lock in order to put that in there. So now we're going to try to show you, which is going to be difficult because we've still got a lot of the guts of the door still in place. We'll try to show you how to connect up. There's two rods in here in the door inside here. We're going to have to show you how they connect up onto the handle and the lock. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, so we're putting this door handle in this hole. There's a stud on the back. That's going to go in this hole, and that's the only thing that holds the handle in place. There's a gasket on it, and to help us, we kind of glued the gasket in place. Now we're going to have to tilt the handle in like this to get it in the hole. Now we got it up and it's going in the hole. There we go. Now I gotta get my nut, which is on my extension. I'm gonna go through this hole here in the door and try to line it up and get it started on the stud. Which I got it. It looks like. Are you able to see it? Yep. Alright, so did it?
I don't know. Sound like something dropped.
Alright, so it's on there. I thought it had fallen off, but well, you can be above me, but you know, gotta give me a chance to get my part in there. And as you can see, it's difficult to show you this, and we wanted to show you this. Getting this on is a pain in the neck with the universal. There we go. Are you able to see it?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm going to try to center it in the, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to get my wrench. Tighten that up. Okay, so now we got the handle on the door. The next part's going to be, since we still got all the glass in place and everything, this is the hard part, is getting these rods in the right spot. So this rod here, I don't know if you can see it moving, that rod has got to go up onto that white piece. Yep. Which is, so let's see if I can do that with my long needle nose pliers here. See if I can get in there from here. Maybe I can get in from here and you can still see it too. Okay. So, Let me see if I can move that. Put that out of the way. Move this up and over. Oh. Oh. Maybe that'll work. Okay. Well, we got it somewhat in place. See if I can move it and push it at the same time. Here. Come on, baby. Move. There we go. Oh, okay, it went in. So the rod's in, and now we're going to push the white piece down, and that'll hold the rod. There. Hey, hey, we got it. It's like a doctor trying to go in. What do they call that surgery where they use little holes in the body? Yeah, well, whatever. All right, now we got to take this piece here. This guy's going to hook up into the lock. And then the other part's going to go down there. Can you see my hand? My finger?
Mm-hmm.
Pointing at the part we're going to go. So let me see if I can, maybe I can use this. So it's going to go right here. It's going to get pushed into there. So this part is going to go in here. Where is the lock? I gotta move this light. Oh, okay. This light, I'm starting to get to wonder, is like, did they have this on the other door? Who's like, you can't even see.
Battery.
Really? Geez, it was like 60% just a little while ago. Alright, well, let's see if we can get this in.
Is it still a videotape in here?
Hit close. Yeah, it's still videotaping. So I'm getting, I got it in. Are you able to see my hand?
Barely.
Come on, go in, baby. Did it go in? I guess it did go in. Alright. Looks like it's in. Let me just throw the lock mechanism over here and see if I can activate the lock. Okay, yep. Alright, so that's in lock position. That's in the unlock position. So that's in place. Can you see that? Are you able to get that? Alright, so that's in place. All the connectors are there. Okay, so this rod is hooked up to the lock and hooked up to this part right here. And then this rod is what activates opening the door. Okay. So let's try the key. Go get the key. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's close the door. Let's unlock it. Make sure that it doesn't get caught. That works. Oh, what was that? Oh, the
lock mechanism.
The lock mechanism, because we don't have a connection. So that works. Okay, cool. And then we'll hook up the lock mechanism, and when I press it down, now it's locked. Oh, that's what that one does, huh? Unlock it, pull it up. Okay. Okay, now let's get the key. Oh, guess we did something wrong. Oh, it fell off. Okay, so just like I thought, it wasn't even good enough. Okay. Let me get that better. I didn't like the way that felt. Here's your chickens. I wish I could get my hands in there. Trying to do this with the pliers is crazy. There we go. Did you hear that click? All right, let's try this again. Come on, baby. Alright, it's locked. Let's try this again. boom. All right,